Welcome back. Saptarang Art and Cultural Club Porvorim has erected a 30-feet tall Santa Claus at Sukur Church, probably the tallest Santa in India. MLA Rohan Kaute said that Sukur was brimming with talent and club will be organizing youth festival comprising of people from all communities.
आता सगळ्या कम्युनिटीजच्या लोकांक आमी बरोबर हाडून वी आर ट्रायिंग टू फर्स्ट create a youth festival or a festival where different art and culture can be shared. पण जेन्ना सगळे हे जेन्ना फादर उलयलो एक आमकां जेन्ना जाणीव जाली हे सगळे प्रोग्राम्स करता आसतना की बॅक स्टेज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स द टॅलंट हॅज टू बी मूव्ड अहेड जाणीव जाली की देर वॉज नो इन्सेंटीव टू द चिल्ड्रन आज द चिल्ड्रन हॅव टेकन फर्स्ट प्लेस ऑल ओवर गोवा इन द थिएटर कॉम्पिटिशन पण जेन्ना हे सगळे कॉम्पिटिशनाक तयारी चालू आशिल्ली रिहर्सल चालू आशिल्ले the parents were not too inclined or they were little reluctant which every time they had to be cleared off.
And तातूंतल्यान आमी कितें आभारी आसा हो एक आमी करूंक जायते हिंदू भावाक आमी आपयले आनी तांणी इतलो तातूंत आपलो मोग दाखयलो की सुमार 30 फीट लांब हो तो ताणी सांता क्लॉज आमकां करून दाखयलो आनी तो आमचे इगोर्जेसरशे दिश्टी पडटा आनी लोक खुशालकायेन तो पळोवन कितें ती कला पळोवन खुशाल जाता आमचो.
Stage is soaked in Christmas celebration. Goa Entertainment from Vasco had organized a Christmas parade. Cribs, Santa Claus, music and lights was the speciality of this parade. Let's have a look.
But the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, you gave me my heart. But the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.